Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, this one, Gold USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. In my yesterday's video, I clearly told you that in case there is a fresh selling on Euro USD, you can go for a sell order. Okay, and considering the present chart, you should mainly be looking for selling opportunities only. My dear friends, if you want to go for a detailed analysis, if you want to know what is going on in Euro USD chart, then please watch the video that I uploaded yesterday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff again and I do not want to bore you. Okay, so I'll be just keeping the video short and I'll be just focusing on the main parts. Okay. So first of all, there is no doubt that Euro USD is in downtrend. Okay, means that selling pressure is extremely high, and as I always say, follow the trend. It means that trend is your friend, and if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and Euro USD is in downtrend, therefore we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So the next question arises, where should we sell then, or what should be our strategy for Euro USD? Okay, before jumping to the strategy part, I would like to take you to the chart of DXY. You can see that US dollar is still very strong, extremely bullish right now, and no sign of retracement yet. But yes, there is still a possibility that, see, at one point of time market will be coming down for correction. Okay, market will be retracing a little, and as we all know, dollar has a correlation with Euro USD. When US dollar goes up, Euro USD goes down. When when US dollar goes down, Euro USD goes up. So if dollar retraces, if dollar comes down for correction, we will see some recovery on Euro USD. Okay, and this is the chart of Euro USD. So we have two safe trading opportunities on the Euro USD chart right now, according to my analysis. If you think that there are some other opportunities on the chart of Euro USD, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Okay, so first of all, if dollar retraces or if dollar goes for correction, Euro USD will be recovering, and we have a level at 1.1500. This is from the Fibonacci retracement level. If dollar goes up and reverses from this particular level, that can be our first trading opportunity and we can take a sell position. Just keep in mind, if Euro USD goes up and reverses from 1.1500 level, then only we will take the sell position, and that will be our trading opportunity or first trading opportunity. Okay, but on the other hand, if Euro USD fails to recover, because you can see that selling pressure is extremely high, if Euro USD fails to recover and starts going down again, if it breaks the present level, then you can take a sell position. But my dear friends, keep in mind that already we have seen heavy selling on Euro USD. Therefore, taking a sell position right now or looking for breakout will be kind of risky here. Okay, so whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. Okay, and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And in a market condition like this, when we have already witnessed this kind of selling pressure, some kind of correction is better or safer actually. Okay, some kind of correction is safer, and when market will be going up and reverse, then that will be the best trading opportunity according to my experience. Okay, so let's see, okay, what happens to Euro USD. Because if you want to avoid Euro USD right now, then you can avoid Euro USD, because there are plenty of opportunities in the market. Okay, and if you want to become a part of the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities, plus I do provide 1 or 2 signals daily, you can become a part of the Pro Trader program. Just go to my website avilashacharika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.